So mag-use me two balloons, kuya. Duha ka balloon. Ikot lang sa iyo nato atong kaon. Alright. Alright. Atong game is ginatawag natong a hop like a bird. Okay. Unsay pag-hop sa bird? Okay, very good. Hop, maglukso, jump. Okay. So for our game, so mag-use ta og unsa ni siya? Balloon for the color green. And how about this one for the lion? Orange. Alright. So ang mechanics sa game is ibutang nato ang balloon okay, between our chest, okay? And you should jump like a bird or you should hop like a bird and magtuyok dito ang team cat and this is the team lion. Alright, in 1, 2, 3, trial, go, jump. Jump, 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 and pass to the next player. Okay, ganyan lang. Okay, stop. Okay, stop. Inana ha, very good. So, ikay mag-lead diri sa imong grupo. Okay, sige. Okay, ate, come here, ate. Diri na ka sa front ha, ikaw mag-lead sa imong group. Alright, again, paadto sa luyo. Okay, kung mahuman nag-jump, paadto sa luyo. At isa'y last player, usay pangalan ni kuya? Si Kuya Sed and si Ate Grace Rain. Okay. Si Kuya Sed and Ate Rain, since you're the last player, you should pop the balloon dito sa lingkuranan. Okay, kung kamo na ang pinakalas. Alright. Kung kinsa itong makadaog, kung kinsa itong maka-finish og una, will be our winner. And for the non-winners, don't you worry, you have your consolation prize. Okay, i-assist itong mga little kids. Again, hands forward. Hands forward. Okay, isubog dito gamay kuya. Isubog dito. Yes. Alright, Team Lion and Team Cat, are you ready? Okay, ready na po na itong music? Ready na? Alright, in my cue. Okay, not yet. And 3, 2, hands down para maka-prepare. 1, go! Go back to your line, okay?